Progress bar. Progress bar controls indicate the process of an action by displaying the appropriate of the rectangle array in a horizontal wall. When we can use the control of conjunction with timer control, a progress bar is a time dependent control. Now open a project and drag a progress bar. Progress bar is always used with timer control. So drag a timer. And write the code on the form load event. These are some important property of progress bar. Dock maximum size. This is the maximum size of progress. This is the minimum size of progress. Back color, fore color, and now double click on form and write the code on form load event timer1 dot start. Go to the design menu and double click on timer 1 and write the code progress bar 1 dot value plus plus, and now run the project. Here we get an exception because if progress bar is increased all the time, then it will above to 100, and we said the maximum size is 100, so it gets an exception. So it is not valid. Stop debugging. And write the code rich text box 1 dot visual equal to false, and if progress bar 1 dot value greater than 100, it will less than 100, but it's give an error. If progress bar 1 dot value equal to 100, then timer stop. Timer 1 Which text box 1 dot visual equal to false. Sorry, we have written text and run, then it give an error. So change text to visual. Now run the project. The progress bar is not running because we write here the progress bar value greater than 100, and it is not possible because the maximum value of progress bar is 100. So we change its greater to into less than. And now run. When progress bar will completed, then we show the rich text box and its text like this. Once again we run the project. Go to the design menu and select the timer control on form and change the interval 1000. Now it is slow and one progress bar increase at 1 second. Now set the intervals at 10. Now it is very fast. This is the main use of progress bar to show the progress.